Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Brianna Lauren here, and I'm back with another video. But in this video, it's gonna be a mukbang with my cousins.
I'm going crazy on my phone. I'm glad they can't.
With my cousins, Avery and Brian. We have Avery here. My cousin.
You said my name.
Bro, what's your fucking name?
Wait a minute. Who are you?
What's your name then?
My name is D Honcho.
Man, I'm Head Honcho.
Your name is what?
Head Honcho.
Okay.
Anyways, these are my cousins, and today we're gonna be eating.
Yes.
Avery, why are you opening it like that?
Because first of all, I want my food in the box. You gonna have to figure out how to get your food on your plate, on your lap.
Rip the other side of the box.
Oh yeah. You gonna do it?
You smart. Okay.
You about to try to get comfortable like you small.
Can we just be serious now?
Okay. It's your plate.
It's my plate, y'all. It's my plate for my pizza.
Right here, look, boom. So take your slice. You get the big slice.
All right.
You want me to touch it with my hands?
You already picked that one up, so this is your plate.
Nah, get the out of here.
That makes sense, Brian. That
no,
makes sense.
Give me this. Give me
Does that make sense, right?
Said, So here, this is mine.
That's a big ass slice.
Yep, that's why I gave it to us.
For me.
Give me my fork.
Why are you taking my food?
Dude.
Avery.
Lord.
Eat your food. What do you?
Me? I'm just in the bag looking dumb as shit. Fucking, I don't know. I'm not hungry. I don't like eating in front of people.
This is the first time I ever look like a girl.
Like that's what I just said. You always looking like a dyke.
I always look like a dyke.
Named Michelle.
What?
Your name Michelle.
No, it's not.
I'm Michael.
No, it's not. You see how they bully me? I just let it happen. I just don't care.
I gotta. First
Did I show them? Oh, I have the pizza from Original. It's a salad.
You got something in your teeth.
Pizza.
They're gonna see the pepperoni roll and that's gonna be gone like the next second.
Order a pepperoni roll.
Let me see it.
No, you got your Caesar salad. Eat that.
It tastes like good. Too good.
Alright, let's talk about something.
A few moments later.
Let's talk about relationships. No.
Yeah, let's talk about relationships. What you got to say about yours?
You a hoe. And the one back there is a hoe too.
I'm not no hoe.
I ain't no hoe.
I'm loyal. What you talking about? As loyal as they come.
You not a hoe?
No. You tried to get me.
I need some tissue.
You not a hoe?
Not my baby, Millie.
That's what I'm
That's
saying.
your boy Millie? He not a hoe?
I'm out. You ever had a girlfriend? Exactly.
Boom.
So who you supposed to be loyal to? Himself.
Out of here, bro.
I need some napkins. I've been looking.
Bro, you just be irritating me, like.
So I'm getting a phone call. Should I answer it?
What? You getting out the car?
Like, it's important.
Alright, can we really talk about a topic? Like, y'all blowing it now.
Turn it to ASMR. Pass the camera.
Go. Ready? Everybody, just start smacking. Ready? Set, go.
You look dumb shit right
Dumb
now.
as dumb as shit.
No, I don't.
Do anything.
They be liking that go.
You see my
Oh! Somebody! Stop playing with me.
So stop.
I gotta go back.
Back?
Nah, hell, I'm full. There's one more left for you. I'm winning.
Bro, I told you leave me too.
I'm sorry.
Why your eyebrows look like that? You ever seen them characters, like, them villains, and their eyebrows already evil before they even make a face? Like, they just squinted down?
Damn!
See the
Alright, can y'all stop cutting my eyes from my video, please? Alright, so we're gonna talk about a story time.
Oh, bro.
Okay.
Look at my food and look at yours.
Because I don't know, I'm not feeling it right now. I'm not feeling it.
You were so hungry.
I was. I don't.
Chipotle.
I want a Chipotle.
Whoa! What?
Alright. So basically, we was in the house or whatever.
I don't want to drive. I was thinking about
And I don't know. I feel like it was all Avery's fault. It was Avery's fault.
You got the keys if you need to go somewhere. Don't go too far.
This is exactly why I don't make videos with them, because they never take nothing serious.
You talk.
Anything I try to do with these, it never works out. I'm trying to make a video and nobody's listening. Like, okay.
2,000 years later.
Alright, so we're doing the story time. So basically, I felt like it was your fault as to why that situation
How is
happened.
that my fault?
Well,
Anybody
you
is
go home.
banging at the front door at 7 o'clock in the morning, 8 o'clock in the morning. What you gonna do?
Auntie wanted you to come home. That's the only reason why she came there.
What you talking about?
Shit, everybody had to go.
Everybody had the finito. I was just sleeping on the couch. So we were sitting on the couch like, we on the couch, we sleeping. All of a sudden, boom, 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 boom. Open the door. That.
Just like that. Open.
Hopping in like thing 1 and thing 2. The first thing Brian's like, yo, it's the UPS going through the door. I'm like, nah, bro, that's not the UPS, bro. They don't bang like that. Nah, bro, get up and check that, bro. I'm not checking it.
You're gonna kick me. Whoever was
Lauren
there.
come downstairs. Hold on, before I even get to Lauren come downstairs, open the door. See, let's together up in here relaxing. This is a game. Like, I'm gonna call the cops on your.
That was my older cousin talking to us.
Now my sister's
She was
coming
like, y'all
in.
think y'all
My
lit?
sister come in, and finally, Brianna Lauren comes downstairs, all lavigant.
No,
And
she
her-
didn't even. Oh no, you're right.
And
I came down the steps mad quiet. I was like,
he was like, oh, look who it is.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
she was like, look who it is. She said,
Oh, so you was upstairs. You heard everything sleeping, right? Got something.
I'm like, yeah, what happened? No, but Auntie really got me tight because she was just standing there like.
standing there like
She just came in there with her arms
Like she know
crossed.
what she did.
like she wasn't wrong.
I got poked in her face. She like, how you doing?
How you doing? Brian, I haven't seen you in so long.
I was
How you
what?
doing?
And I
I'm
was
like-
I just woke up.
This-
Man.
My cousin came in there and up. Period. I really stood there right in front of her. She was all up in my face. I did not move.
You still ain't finished that.
Stop watching me. Like,
Talking about a mukbang, you eating one thing.
what do you mean eating one thing? Shut up.
That's how you should end it.
Bye. Have a very good time.
My name is Brianna Lauren. Eat your f***ing salad. and But anyway,
I'm never doing a bit with y'all ever again.
That's the end of the video.
hey, y'all subscribe to Brianna Lauren.
Mm-hmm.
She dope.
Dope as
Hey guys, so today's the next day, and I realized that outro was really bad, so I had to come back and make an outro for you guys because no. And this is on my phone, but I just wanted to say that me and my cousins, we always play around like that. Like, I know some people are gonna be like, "Oh, why are you da 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 da?" Like, why are they talking to you like this and da 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 da? But if you have cousins, you should know like the rundown or whatever. But I let it happen because, you know, I love them and I know they're just playing around and, you know. Yeah, I just wanted to thank you guys for watching that video. If it was funny, please write something down below. Give me a comment, something. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please let me know what other videos you guys want to see. Please let me know if you guys want to see any more videos with them, because I can make easy videos with them. I'm always with them. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye, my lovely.